Apeman. This is the A60. It's a 1080p high definition 12 megapixel camera and action camera. It is a cheap GoPro. This one's from Amazon UK. It originally retailed at $69.99, but it is going for about $29.99 at the moment. And on Amazon.com, you can pick one up for about $35. And I believe it was going for about $60 when you get something a bit cheaper. It's 1080p, it's not 4K, it doesn't have Wi-Fi. But if you're looking for a cheap action camera or dash cam, or if you're looking for a 12 megapixel camera with a tiny screen, you can get it in this. The actual camera is not waterproof. The casing you have with it is waterproof, and I believe it's included in the box. It's got an LCD screen. Well, that's good. I think some GoPros don't have the screen, maybe, and the battery is 90 minutes worth of filming. That's what it says on the box. Wide angle lens, 170 degrees, and yeah, 12 megapixel camera. Internal memory, I'm not sure if it's great, but I picked up a Toshiba 32 gigabyte micro SD card. 32 gigabytes is the biggest memory that this will take. So we will crack into it now and comes in a box. What? In the box, you get a little card. Thank you for choosing Apeman. Smells a bit funny. In the box, you get a box. So this is nice to have a carry case. So within the carry case, this is what you get. You get the camera. You get a lot of adapters. Are there 21 there? I don't know. We'll have a look now. You get a whole load of things. You get a cable, USB. You get some ties. I assume that's for going on a bike. You get a metal cable and some tags. Instruction manual, microfiber cloth. Wow, something else. Something else. I'm going to turn this the other way so we can have a good look at this. Oh, okay. We have this one here. We have a screen there. We have a clip. We have a battery. It's not interesting as the battery. We have a base plastic. We have another piece of plastic. We have another piece of plastic. And a couple more pieces of plastic. And the interesting part is here, the camera. This already comes in its housing. So the case is empty. Here is the camera. And I think it's just going to be a matter of unclipping this somehow. with brute force or by clicking that forward there. So we're going to do this. Click it, unclip it, click it, flick it, slick it, click it. Camera comes with a little film on the lens. Okay, the film comes with a little lens that we're going to take off now. That could go in the bin. And another one. And this is what we're left with. Comes with a power on, an OK button, and 2 buttons on the side. I'm going to open the battery case. It's a matter of pulling this to the side and then getting something like a knife. I suppose it's good, so it's not going to come out very easily. You need some tools to get in there, which is good, because it's annoying. It would be annoying if you lost the battery while filming, doing something stupid. So the battery goes in. It's a rechargeable battery. It takes about 3 hours to charge, and it won't go on very easily, but so it's going to go on the back. Click it in, give it a bit of force. I've read the instruction manual thoroughly, but before I do anything, I would stick in the little memory card. Nice to have a cutting tool to do this. What the? Here we go. Are we supposed to cut through this? Or are we supposed to pull it off? There we go. Oh, jeez. Okay, here we go. There we go. Nearly. There we go. Oh, finally. Right. Oh, yeah. Get in there, yeah. There we go. So it has an on-off button, which also changes the mode. We've got an OK button that starts recording. Up and down can do volumes. So you can do different capturing times of up to 10 minutes. 10 seconds. What? You can select different timing capturing times. Single 2-second timer. So that's a timer if you want to take a selfie. You can select different time intervals for time-lapse recording as well. Up to 20 seconds. There's a loop record as well, so you can turn up 3 minutes, 5 minutes, and 10 minutes of looping. And you can select video resolutions. It's 1080p, 30 frames a second, or there's 720p at either 60 or 30 frames a second. There's also VGA. You do have motion detection, so it will start recording if something's moving in front of it, and it will stop recording 10 seconds if there's no object moving. So you could have it as a security camera if you wanted to. Set the time and date, auto power off, system languages. It's in English, French, German, Spanish, Italian, Portuguese, Greek, Japanese, simplified Chinese, traditional Chinese, and Polish. There's a screensaver too, and I think you format the memory card once you put it in. So you turn it on, and it lights up in green. Ooh, it makes a little noise. So, the 1st of the 1st, 2016 is wrong. We will get this all set up and have a look. Start recording with the little camera. It is flashing orange, which must mean that it's going. So this is a housing for it, and you must be able to screw this in. These are different lengths. Stick that through there. And you've got it recording how you want. No selfie stick. This with the waterproof case. Stick with something. have no idea how this thing works. You're trying it out. Stick it in there. Stick that in there. It makes no sense. But anyway, here you have it. Here's everything. I'm going to do some recordings with it and we'll find out later on. And what better way to test out one of these cameras than to do some cooking? That's going to be amazing. So here's a sped up video of me doing a recording with the actual Apeman. It was originally an 20 minute video, and so I sped it up a bit just to show generally what it could do if you sat it next to you while you're cooking. The quality of the video looks pretty good. It's quite a dark room, not well lit with sunlight, so in bright sunlight you're going to get a much better picture, I think. The 170-degree wide angle is clear there. You can see everything in the kitchen. So it's quite good that you can just place it somewhere and you can be confident that it's going to pick something up. So the cooking book is quite a good book. If that's what you're interested in, every recipe only uses 5 ingredients. So this was the first review that I've done. I have a couple more reviews to do, but as far as this product goes, I was happy with it. The price is very good. If you were looking to do more stuff, you might want to get the 4K camera. I think that was probably about double the price. A lot cheaper than the GoPro, yes. So if you're worried about spending so much money on a GoPro and then breaking it, then this is a perfect solution to that. Buy this and throw it around, and if it breaks, it breaks. Get a new one. It will still have a warranty with it anyway. Yeah, as I said, I have a couple more products to review, to unbox and see how they work. I've got an Amazon Echo, another gift. I've already got an Amazon Echo, so I'm going to dot them around the house and see how they interact together. I've also purchased an adult's toy, maybe that's the wrong way of saying it, a grown-up's toy, not an adult's toy. I won't be testing those out, and I will hopefully have a few views on this. The production value will probably go up when I get used to recording and knowing when to not say and do all this rubbish stuff that I probably have done in this video quite a lot of. So if you like this video, even if you didn't like it, maybe leave a thumbs up, and hopefully it will spur me on to make the next one. Also, it'd be great if you subscribed. Also, yeah, subscribe, like the video, and I will hopefully make quite a few more of these videos. If you have anything you want to say in the comments, please do. I'm sure I could take any criticisms and maybe not even listen to them. But if I get enough funny things coming in, then maybe I can make a video on that. But first things first, maybe get some views on this video. I've included some photos at the end that I took with the actual Apeman. These are 12 megapixel photos. It comes out alright, but I don't know, you wouldn't really want to take photos with this. If you didn't have your phone with you, you could do it, or maybe you could just take them to use as thumbnails. Maybe I'll use something as a thumbnail with this one. Well, I'll have to take the picture of the Apeman probably. But yeah, please like, subscribe, and I will see you next time.